Before creating your Chrome extension, you have to set up your project. If you want to use my app as a starting point, feel free to use it as a boilerplate. I'll share a link to GitHub in video details. Or alternatively, you can create a new React project with the help of Create React App. And what this command does, it generates a basic project structure with all the necessary configurations and dependencies, allowing you to jump right in and start building your extension. But it will also generate some unneeded dependencies, some unneeded data. So see what works for you best. Next, when you created the skeleton of your project, declare your manifest. And manifest is a specification to your Chrome extension in a similar way as a package.json is for a Node project. You put in there what's the name of your Chrome extension, what your Chrome extension does, version, author name, any kind of icons, and I'll explain in a minute what these keys do. And another thing, I prefer to work in manifest version 3. There are lots of examples on the Google that work in manifest version 2, but that version is deprecated, and if you intend to publish to Chrome store, you might get rejected or you might get longer wait times for reviews. So it's better to work in manifest version 3. Everything in the public directory is considered as assets, and they are just copied to the distribution directory on build. And one such configuration you might have is a copy webpack plugin that on building your extension has a pipeline that copies everything from your directory, public directory in this case, to this directory.